Hello everyone, welcome to Beaver's Hobby Channel. In this video, we're gonna take a look at the Turbo Racing 1276 scale monster truck, the TC01. Once again, it's been sent to me by Banggood, so if you are interested in buying one, the link is in the description as always. And this is like the fourth car from this series that I have. And I don't think there is anything else to talk about because we all know what it is. So what I'm going to do here is to see what do we have in the box and take it out for a test drive. Oh, by the way, the box has this window so you can see a little bit inside and it looks really good. So here's the car, rather big compared to the other cars in the series. It is rear-wheel drive, and obviously the ground clearance is really good, so you can just running around your house really easily. And next we have some ramps. How many? 1, 2, 2 high jumps and 2 low jumps. So we have 4 ramps included in the box. Gonna go like that, and it flies off the manual. Okay. Oh, it can still charge on the transmitter. Oh, not quite. It needs an extender to charge on the transmitter. Next we have some stickers. And here's the transmitter with color coordinated to the car. Goes in like this. Obviously this is the Turbo Racing, so you can upgrade the transmitter to something like this P52 and you can have much better controls over stuff like EPA and many things. Yes, exponential trim and a lot of stuff there. Anyway, moving on. There's nothing else. There's the charging cable and the extender. So, if you want to charge it, because this car is quite high up from the ground, so it is not going to reach the port properly. So, oh, I broke it. So we're gonna need this extender. Put it right there and then put a car on it like that. The transmitter is the same as the other one in this series, so we're gonna need 4 AA batteries. Put it in and then turn anti-clockwise to close, and that's it. So let's see if there is any charge in the car. And we have the lights on the top as well. As you can see here, it is full proportional. Considering it has good ground clearance, it is going to be great to drive around the house. And the turning circle is really good too. It's like from there to there. Let's see something you can measure with. From there to there. So how much was it? It's like 21 centimeter turning circle, which is really small. Oh, it is the other side is not the same, so let's put it on about 25. There and there, about 21 to 25 centimeter, which is great. And let's take a closer look at the car. It is small, really small, compared to the other one in this series, that is the Eclipse. It has the wheelbase is a little bit shorter, but it is much wider, and the ground clearance is very evident that it is really much higher than the other cars. LED is still present in this version, and it is like top light bar, so it is pretty bright. The wheels is lock up when it doesn't have power, so it has worm gear inside like the mini version. And we have a little bit of front suspension, which should help when it jumps. Oh, the other thing that people are gonna ask me is that how does it compare to the Diatone, which is also 1:76 scale. The size is roughly the same. However, this turbo racing has a little bit higher ground clearance. Like so. The ground clearance on the turbo racing is a little bit better than the Diatone. To be honest, it also looks better. It's like a more rough and tumble. This one is more like a toy car. You'll be the judge. The wheels on the Diatone are a little bit bigger, but that doesn't make much difference anyway. So I'm gonna go and charge it, and let's take it out for a spin. And here's how to charge with the transmitter. You slide this one, turn it clockwise to lock, and then put the extender on, and then put the car on. Flick the switch to the middle position, and it is now charging. Once it is full, this light is going to go out, and now I'll just leave it there. The handling is pretty good, much like the other versions. As it turned out, it needs quite a precision to jump the big one successfully without flipping over. The small ramps, however, is easy. With this ground clearance, it can go on a thick carpet easily, so that's another surface you can drive on. The handling on the grippy surface is nice, but not so good on a wooden floor or dusty floor. Sometimes it'll just spin with a slight steering input. So I'll have to say that the Diatone Q33 is better outside a dedicated racetrack or a carpet. The truck looks really nice, and it's a good addition if you want to collect this series. And that's it for this video. Please subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and click the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload a new video. You can follow me on Facebook or social media for quick updates, written reviews, news, and to see what I'm doing between videos. Thanks as always for watching, and see you again next time.